In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom QR code in Adobe Express. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can generate a great-looking, scannable QR code that fits seamlessly into your design. Start by opening your project in Adobe Express and look for the Add-ons option in the workspace. This opens a panel where you can bring extra tools into your design without leaving the app. In the search bar inside Add-ons, type QR Designer. When you see the QR Designer option, open it. This will launch a side panel dedicated to creating QR codes directly on your canvas, so everything stays in one place and you can see your changes in context. Next, enter the content you want your QR code to hold. You can paste a URL if you want to send people to a website or landing page, type plain text if you just need to show a short message, or input contact information if you're creating something like a digital business card. Double-check your URL to make sure it's correct and complete, including the HTTPS prefix. Keep text concise, since shorter data generally creates cleaner, easier-to-scan codes. When you're ready, generate the QR code. In a moment, you'll see it appear as an element on your canvas, ready to work with. From here, customize the color, style, and background to match your design. Consider contrast first. A dark QR code on a light background typically scans best. If you're using brand colors, make sure the foreground remains noticeably darker than the background. Explore style options like different dot shapes and corner styles to give your code personality while protecting readability. If you want a colored or image background, keep it subtle and avoid busy patterns behind the code. Leave a clear, quiet zone, some empty space, around the edges so scanners can detect it quickly. Now resize and place the QR code anywhere on your canvas. Drag a corner handle to scale it up or down and keep it proportionate. For print pieces, make it large enough to scan at arm's length. For on-screen graphics, test visibility at the final display size. Avoid tucking it too close to the edges or into highly textured areas. Position it where viewers naturally look and maintain that quiet margin around it. As you're placing, grab your phone and quickly scan it from different distances to confirm it works well with your chosen colors and background. And that's it. You used the Add-ons panel to open the QR Designer, entered your content and generated the code, customized it to fit your brand, and placed it precisely on your canvas. You're all set to continue designing with a QR code that looks great and scans reliably.